dear students, welcome to digital classes, and this is your chemistry period. And dear students, as you know that we have started already, we are doing this chapter, that is surface chemistry. And as you know that we have divided this whole chapter into three parts. First part of the surface chemistry is introduction. Second part of the surface chemistry is catalysis, already we have done in previous video. And third part of this surface chemistry is colloids. So in colloids we have already done the classification of colloids in previous videos. Today I'm going to tell you about preparation of colloids and purification of colloids. So let's start without wasting any time. So dear students, let's recapitulate what do you mean by colloids. The word colloids, it was derived basically from the Greek word kola. It derived from the Greek word kola, which mean glue or glue-like substance, as some of the original organic colloidal solution were glues also. So in classification we did then basically 5 types of classification is there. It is on the basis of physical state of dispersion phase and dispersed phase. You know very well what is dispersed phase and what is dispersion phase. Dispersed phase is that which add on the surface of dispersion medium. So we have basically solid in solid liquid gas, liquid in solid liquid gas, and gas in solid liquid gas. Second classification is on the basis of nature of interaction of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. That is somewhere the way the dispersed phase is going to interact with dispersion medium. So there are two types, lyophilic and lyophilic. Lyophilic is water loving, and lyophilic is liquid loving, and lyophobic is liquid hating colloidal substance. Third classification is types of particles, on the basis of types of particles, or you can say the size of particles. If many molecule colloids are there, then it is called multimolecular. If big size is there, macromolecular. If group of particles are there, then associated molecule. Here one of the very important topic, that is micelles. Already you have done in 10th class also, where we are discussing about the micelle formation, CMC, critical micelle concentration. These all topics we have studied and we will do. And dear students, here my request is there, please take this micelle topic seriously, which you have done in 10th class also, because maximum questions are coming from here. Fourth type of classification is appearance of colloids. There is 2 types, sol or gel. And fifth is electrical charges, that is positive and negative. After doing this, we have done this colloids and classification of colloids. We are going to start our next topic, that is preparation of colloids. So you know very well about the meaning of preparation. Preparation is to prepare something. So how colloids can be prepared? There are 3 methods. First, it can be prepared by dispersion method. In dispersion method there is mechanical method, peptidization, and Brady's arc, in which Brady's arc is very important. Second method is condensation method. Third method is chemical method. In chemical method, oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, and double decomposition is there. So one by one we will discuss this. So first is dispersion medium. In dispersion method, it is also in dispersion method, first method is mechanical dispersion. So what is happening in this method? Dear students, whatever slides I am going to display, you need to make notes from those slides. Pause the video, make slides, and do share the notes to me. As I have found some of the students, they are not at all serious, and they are never sharing their material, not even, I don't think so they are watching videos or not. But let me appeal you all have to take these videos very seriously. Watch this video 2 times, 3 times, 4 times even, and try to understand the topic the way we are sharing. If you are facing any problem, please feel free to call me. So let's start mechanical dispersion. In this method, the substance is first ground to coarse particles, and it is then mixed with the dispersion medium to get a suspension. The suspension is then grinded in colloidal mill, and it consists of 2 metallic discs. If you will see the diagram here, it consists of 2 metallic strips. One is this, second is this. In between that, the sole is need to be kept, and it is nearly touching each other and rotating in opposite direction to a very high speed of 7,000 revolution per minute. It is like a grinder. The space between the disc of the mill is so adjusted that the coarse suspension is subjected to great shearing force, giving rise to the particle of colloidal size. In this way, colloidal solution of black ink, paint, varnishes, dyes are obtained. So hope so you understood. and you can go through the video also through YouTube, the mechanical dispersion. Second is like electrical dispersion. Here with the help of electricity, by using electric energy, the Bragg arc method, which is called Bragg arc method. This is very very important as per your examination point of view. Sometime it is coming state Bragg arc method, so you need to see Bragg arc method is an electrical dispersion method. In this method, it is used to prepare sols of platinum, silver, copper and gold. Platinum, silver, copper and gold. Sometimes question is coming in MCQ. What type of method is used to prepare sols in platinum? Then option is electrical dispersion or Bragg arc method. Sometimes question can come, Bragg arc method is used to prepare which of the sol? Platinum, silver, copper, gold, all of the above. Yes, platinum, gold, silver and copper is used by Bragg arc method. In this method, the metal whose sol is to be prepared is made at two electrodes which emerge in a dispersion medium such as water. So you can see, dear students, here this is dispersion medium, that is water, whereas two metal electrode, this is one, second is this. These two electrode method are immersed in a water, sorry, ice is to maintain temperature. Here it is water, where we are adding two metallic strip inside the water. So it is forming an arc. That's why the name is Bragg's arc method. Bragg is scientist and arc is there. And an electric arc is struck between the electrode, and this tremendous heat generated by this method give colloidal solution. Whatever heat is generated by these two electrode is formed colloidal solution. The colloidal solution prepared is stabilized by adding small amount of KOH, and this is called stabilization, is called emulsifier. Okay. So third method is bipeptization method. Peptization, the word is peptized. The process of converting a freshly prepared precipitate into the colloidal form is called peptization. The process in which we are converting a freshly prepared precipitate into the colloids is called peptization by addition of suitable electrolytes. The cause of peptization is the adsorption of the ions of the electrolytes by the particle of the precipitate. You can understand from these slides. All the information is given in these slides, so you need to take time by taking pause, read first, then try to understand. The electrolyte used for this purpose is called peptizing agent or stabilizing agent. So important peptizing agent for sugar, gum, gelatin electrolytes are these colloidal particles, that is iron hydroxide. Okay, sugar, gum, gelatin and electrolytes are there. These are forming precipitate, and once it forms precipitate, it is known as peptization. So basically we have studied three basic method of preparation of colloids in dispersion method, that is mechanical method. In mechanical method there is one mechanical rotator like a grinder which help us to prepare the colloidal solution, which is used in blacking, paint and varnishes and dyes. Second is electrical method. It is used to make the sol of platinum, silver, copper and gold, which is with the help of electricity. That's why it is called electric dispersion. Third is with the help of precipitate we can form peptization. So that's why it is called peptization process. Sugar, gum, gelatin and electrolytes are the example. So now second is condensation method. In this method, condensation method is, you know very well, the evaporation need to be changed into liquid. When we are going to change gas into liquid, the process is called condensation. As cloud is fall in the form of rain, a cloud convert into rain is called condensation process. In condensation method, the small particle of the dispersed phase are aggregated to form large particle colloidal dimension. Some of the important condensation method are given below. Solution of substance like mercury and sulfur are prepared by passing their vapor through a cold water which contain stabilizer such as ammonium salt or citrate. Second is by accessing cooling a colloidal solution of ice in an organic solvent like ether and chloroform. It can be prepared by freezing a solution of water in a solvent. These are very simple and very I can say easy method. Need to understand, you need just read, pay attention, try to understand, you will get everything. By exchanging of solvent, this is the third method, colloidal solution of certain substance such as sulfur, phosphorus, which are soluble in alcohol but insoluble in water. It can be prepared by pouring their alcoholic solution in excess of water. As alcohol can be mixed with water, sulfur, phosphorus cannot mix with water. So when sulfur and phosphorus will mix slightly with the alcohol, and that alcoholic solution, when you are adding in water, it will mix, that is forming alcoholic solution of sulfur. On pouring into water gives milky colloidal solution of sulfur, that is called colloids. So this is second method, dear students. So already we did in the preparation. First method is dispersion method, second method is condensation method. Now third method is chemical method, which is most important and most suitable method. In this method we are going to react one substance with the other to form a colloidal substance. So here, for example, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is form oxidation. Already you know the process colloidal solution of sulfur, which can be prepared by oxidizing an aqueous solution of H2S with the suitable oxidizing agent. This is a practical also. When bromine is going to be react with H2S, it automatically form a HBr, which is a colloidal form. Similar way, when H2S will react with SO2, it form H2O. 2 molecule of H2O will give the colloidal solution. Similar ways, reduction is opposite to the oxidation, in which addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen is there. For example, gold salt can be obtained by reducing of dilute aqueous solution of gold with stannous chloride. So here gold chloride is react with stannous chloride, forms stannous tetrachloride and gold. Third is hydrolysis, in which we will break down the water. So ferric chloride, when react with the H2S, it will form ferric hydroxide in the form of colloids. So here ammonium hydroxide can be prepared by boiling aqueous solution of corresponding chlorides, that is called hydrolysis process. Fourth is double decomposition. In this particular process, the soul of inorganic insoluble salts such as arsenic sulfide, silver halide, these etc. are prepared by using double decomposition reaction. Double decomposition means 2-time breakdown. Arsenous or arsenous sulfide soul can be prepared by passing H2S gas. So here nothing, the question that will come, that is coming simply, which method is used to prepare soul of the following substance. So H2S oxidation, aurum chloride, you can say stannum chloride is reduction, H2S ferric chloride water hydrolysis, and arsenic hydroxide double decomposition. So this is all about the preparation. Now if we will talk about purification. Purification of colloid is what? Once the colloid formed, we need to purify that colloid. After preparation of colloids, the next step is to purify the colloids. There are 3 common methods used to purify the colloids. It is happening in our daily life also, that is dialysis, electrodialysis, and ultrafiltration. So if we will talk about dialysis, this word is not new for everyone. You know very well what do you mean by dialysis. It is the process of separating the particle of colloids from those of crystalloids by means of diffusion through a suitable membrane. It is happening, this is the function of kidney in our body. Dialysis is the function of kidney in our body, whereas kidney can separate the crystal formed from our body. The principle is colloidal particle cannot pass through the cellophane membrane, which is called suitable membrane, while the ions of the electrolyte can pass through it. So you can see here, start dialysis. You can see when we are going to pass these particles, the particles are not going to cross these cellophane membrane. The impurities slowly diffused out of the bag, leaving behind pure colloidal solution, which is happening in filtrate also, which is happening in our purite filter also, which is happening in the kidney also. So the distilled water is changed frequently to avoid accumulation of the crystalloid, otherwise they may start diffusing back into the bag. So dialysis can be used for removing HCl from the ferric hydroxide solution. This is very important. Next is electrodialysis. Now word electro used, to it means that electricity will pass. When we are passing electricity, the process of dialysis is very slow. And how to increase the speed of dialysis? It can increase the speed of dialysis by using electrical potential or electricity. That process is called electrodialysis. It is called artificial dialysis also, which nowadays doctor is using. In medical science we are using to filter the blood of those people whose kidney is failure. Okay, so application electrolysis, artificial kidney machine make use of electrodialysis, that is called hemodialysis also. So your homework is there. You just have to do research, watch video related to hemodialysis, artificial kidney dialysis. Prepare a notes, prepare a video. Better make a video, small video of hemodialysis, and then do share to me. After this, ultrafiltration is the process of high pressure. In this case, filtration through a semi-permeable membrane occur, in which colloidal particles are retained while the small size solute particle is moving from the semi-permeable membrane, that is called ultrafilter membrane. force to move across the membrane. It is called hydrostatic pressure force. As we are increasing force, these small particle moving fast, in which larger particle remain here, smaller particle will pass through the next chamber. So this is called ultrafiltration, and ultrafiltration application is the application of our kidney. How kidney is working in Bowman capsule, that is called ultrafiltration. So bio student can understand, but mathematics student need to study this. So here also you need to prepare a small video where you are dictating or explaining about the function of ultrafiltration. Okay, so now quiz time, dear students. This is all about for today, but before going to leave the class, just go through these questions and try to give the answer. These are all multiple choice questions. Like first question, the term colloids come from the Greek word cola and oidos. What is the meaning of cola and oidos? Cola, milk, acid, glue, appearance, glue, phase. So that you are right. Third, fourth is colloidal solution system is composed of two phases. What are these phases? Continuous phase, dispersed phase, continuous phase, dispersion medium, discontinuous phase, and dispersed phase. Colloidal system can be classified according to their dash and dash. So these all answer you have to give, and you need to send to me by pausing video. Okay, so this is the first video, this is the first quiz video. Pause, then do the answer. This is second, do pause, then give the answer. This is the third, do pause and give the answer. So 15 questions are there, you need to learn all these 15 questions. So thanks for watching this video. Hope so you understood everything. Although video is little bit lengthy, but need to watch 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Try to understand the topic. So till my next video, stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Thank you.